Today, I'll show you how to open an HSBC business account in the UK. Whether you're setting up as a sole trader or running a limited company, having a dedicated business account is crucial for managing your finances and ensuring a clear separation between personal and business expenses. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. To begin with, it's important to note that to open a business account with HSBC in the UK, you typically need to be a UK resident. Additionally, your business must be officially registered either as a sole trader or a limited company with HMRC. Having these prerequisites in place will help ensure a smooth application process. Now, let's get started. First, head over to the HSBC UK website. Alternatively, you can download the HSBC UK Business Banking app on your smartphone. Both platforms are user-friendly and provide easy access to the application process. Once you're on the website or app, navigate to the section for business accounts. Here, you'll find different account options tailored to various business needs. Take a moment to explore these options and select the account that best suits your business requirements. When you're ready, click on Apply Now to begin your application. The application process will require you to enter both your business and personal details. This includes basic information about your business structure, such as your company name, registration number, and address. You'll also need to provide personal identification details. Be sure to have all relevant information on hand to streamline this process. Next, you'll need to upload identification documents. This typically includes a valid form of ID, such as a passport or driving license, and proof of address like a utility bill. HSBC may also ask you to record a short verification video through the app. This step is designed to enhance security and verify your identity, so follow the prompts carefully. Once you've submitted your application, HSBC will review your information. This review process usually takes a few days, depending on the completeness and accuracy of the details provided. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or additional requests from HSBC. And there you have it. That's how to open an HSBC business account in the UK. With your new account, you'll be well equipped to manage your business finances efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to check HSBC's support resources or reach out to their customer service for assistance.